Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. I know, long time no see, and that's okay. I'm gonna make a video explaining where the hell I have been for the past, like 5 months or whatever it's been. But I'm back now, and it is Thanksgiving. I'm cooking a turkey right now and filming at the same time. Talk about multitasking, right? So anyway, today I'm going to show you guys this look here. It is a super festive, glittery, jumbo glitter, sparkly, razzly dazzly cut crease look. I don't think I have anything like this on my channel. It's very festive. Please excuse my crazy looking hair. I just came out of the shower and started doing my makeup. So yeah, while my turkey's finishing up, I decided I was gonna film this for you guys because I uploaded a similar look on my Instagram and you guys went nuts and you wanted me to film it. So here I am filming for you guys. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. But before we get started, you guys already know the drill. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right on in. The first thing we're going to do is use our P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor. This is the original color. I think it's shade number 2 now in the range. I'm just going to pat this into my eyelid. Remember, with this eyeshadow base, you do not want to spread it all over the place. You just want to pat it in and do not set it. Then I'm going in with my Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette and using the shade Rusted on a Morphe 514 brush. I'm just going to apply this to my crease and just kind of pack it on as much as you can because as you blend, the colors will fade. Using my Veromona Color Switch Duo, I'm just going to clean the brush, and using that now clean brush, I'm just going to buff out the edges of this eyeshadow. Once I have blended out that eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with this orange shade 518, and I'm just going to use this as a sort of transition and use this as well to buff out and really blend out that color. Then going in with this beautiful yellow shade called B, I'm applying this to the highest point of my crease, close to my brow bone, and yeah, this will give it a really, really, really nice blend, going from dark to light gradually. Next, I'll be going in with the shade You're Kidding, and I'm just going to deepen that crease. I want it to be a little deeper reddish orange than it already is, so I'm just going to deepen that by patting in some fresh dark red You're Kidding color. To cut my crease, I'll be going in with the Inglot gel liner in the shade number 94. I really like this one, even though it's a thicker consistency and can make it a little difficult to cut the crease. I like it because it doesn't crease. Let's count how many times I say the word crease. And also because it just really picks up pigment in eyeshadow really, really well. Then I'm going in with my NYX pigment in the shade 07, and I'm applying this just to the inner corner. Next, I'll be going in with some glitter adhesive, which is not shown here. I'm just applying it straight to my lid. I use the NYX glitter adhesive, and I'm just mixing this Eye Candy Cosmetics glitter banarama with another thicker, chunkier glitter that I just got online. I can't remember the name. I'm just mixing these two textures together, and using a small brush, I'm just applying this straight onto that glitter adhesive and gel liner. Then I'm going in with my Sigma Beauty gel liner in the shade Wicked, and I'm going to create a wing, as you guys can see here. I didn't film it because I have a million tutorials on this. Then I'm going in with my Versali primers. This is the Skin Tune Blur Primer and the Unicorn Essence. These two have been my holy grail. My holy grail the last few weeks, and I really, really do love the way this makes my foundation last all day. Then I'm using the Maybelline, what is this called? This is the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and my Eve Pearl 201 foundation brush. You guys know how much I love this brush. And I'm just gonna apply this foundation directly to my face and use the other side of the brush to blend it all out. Next, going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the shade Maple, I'll be contouring my face, and the Laura Mercier Ultra Longwear Concealer in the shade 2W. I'll be using this shade to highlight my face, and you guys have seen me do this a million times as well. I just go ahead and apply it, and then I blend it all out, and then we're gonna follow with some baking. To bake, I'm going to be using my Milk Makeup Translucent Light Setting Powder, and I like to apply this in the highlight areas first, which is under eyes, forehead, bridge of nose, etc., etc. And then I like to bake the rest of my face as well because I can get oily and I don't want to get oily. So I like my makeup to last all day long, so I do bake. But if you have dry skin, don't do that. Then I'm using my Sigma Beauty Gel Liner Pencil, and I'm lining my waterline and tight lining with this. This is also in the shade Wicked. Then going in with those same colors we applied to the lid, as well as that dark brown color, I'm just gonna set the eyeliner on my lower lash line and kind of buff it out and create a smokier effect. And now I'm just gonna dust off all that excess powder. This super cool eyelash box is from Flutter Lashes. It keeps my lashes organized, and the lash style I'll be going in with is Lana by Huda Beauty, and just applying those to my lashes. Using my Anastasia-Beverly-Hills Saddle Bronzer, I'm bronzing up my face and my Jeffree Star Cosmetics King Tut Highlighter to highlight my face. Blush I'll be using is Peach by Laura Mercier, and I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks and blend it out. The liquid lipstick I'll be using is Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood Liquid Lipstick, and then I'll also be applying some translucent powder with the powder puff over top of the lipstick to mattify it even more and lighten it a bit. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is my first video after several months, and I really hope you liked it. I hope you learned something, and I'm sorry it was a talk through video, but I couldn't cook, take care of Sophia, and do my makeup all at the same time without there being a bunch of noise in the background. So that's why I did a talk through video. Anyway, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel down below. And also please turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. All of that is at Makeupbyalaha. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being so patient with me the last few months when I haven't filmed any videos, but I promise I will be back better than ever. 2019 is my year. So yeah, thank you guys. Love you all, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.